Hello students. The topic of today is limitations of Beer-Lambert law. The linearity of the Beer-Lambert law is limited by chemical and instrumental factors. Causes of non-linearity include deviations in absorptivity coefficients at high concentrations. If the concentration of the solution is more than 10 raised to power minus 2 m or 0.01 molar, in that case the linear relation is not obtained. When we plot a graph of absorbance versus concentration, this is the graph absorbance versus concentration, it shows a linear relations only at lower concentration. So if the concentration of solution is high, we cannot get the proper relation between absorption and concentration. That means law is deviated. Second limitation is the law also fail if the absorbing species react with the solvent, that is either association or dissociations takes place. For example, change in colors of dichromate ion, orange to yellow, on dilution with water. If dichromate ion are diluted at constant pH, then the graph is a straight line, means it obeys Beer-Lambert law. But if the dilution is done not by keeping the constant pH, dichromate ions reacts with water and producing chromate ion, which is yellow in colors. The third limitation is the molar extinction coefficient epsilon depends on the refractive index of the absorbing medium. If the initial concentration of the absorbing medium is greater than 10 raised to power minus 2 molar, then refractive index changes and so epsilon changes. If the concentration is less than 0.01 molar, the refractive index does not change with the concentration and so the epsilon does not changes and law holds true. The fourth limitation is the law is also deviated if the monochromatic light is not used. And fifth one is changes or change of temperature also leads to deviation of Beer-Lambert law. Sixth is The deviation may occur if the width of the instrument is not proper. Seventh, the deviation also occurs in the instrument where filters are used, because with filters we do not get monochromatic lights. These are the limitations or deviations from Beer-Lambert law. Thank you very much.